Hello viewers, today we will discuss a very important application of addition of angular momentum, which is when we add spin angular momentum with the orbital angular momentum. Let's say spin of s half, then for the addition j1, which is L orbital angular momentum, and j2 is half. The value for j1 is equals to L, m1 is equals to ml, and the value of m2 is obvious, plus minus half. Now the value of j by the selection rule lies in between j1 plus j2 to j1 minus j2, which is L plus half and L minus half. Now for the L plus half, we have two L plus 1 states, and for L minus half we have 2L states. This can easily be interpreted by the 2j plus 1 formula. So we will discuss two cases. First case, when j is equals to L plus half, we can write them as L plus half m. Jm state can be written as, for the Cg coefficient, j1 j2 m1 m2 jm here is L plus half j1 j2 m1 m2. Now the value of m1 m2 are here. As we have two value of m2 plus half and minus half, so and by the selection rule m is equals to m1 plus m2. So from here we can find the value of m1, which is ml. So L plus half comma m, j1 is equals to L, j2 is equals to half, m1 is equals to, for m2 is equals to plus half, m1 is equals to m minus half, m2 half, m, j1 value is L comma half, m minus half, m2 half, plus for the other value of m2, which is minus half, and for this ml value is m plus half, L half, m plus half, minus half, L plus half, comma m, L half, m plus half. Now to know these coefficients, we will use a relation as when the j plus operator acts on j1 j2 m1 m2, when j plus operator acts on j minus 1. First let me tell you formula for this. When j plus operator operates on jm, it will gives us simply j minus m and j plus m plus 1, and this eigenstate is changed as this is a j plus operator, so the value of m will increase by 1, and same case will happen here. Here when j plus operator operates on, the value of j is j m plus 1, so j minus m plus 1, j plus m plus 1, j plus m plus 1, which is j plus m, and this will increase by 1, so the value will be m, j1 j2 m1 m2 j. Now this relation can also be happen like this: J1 J2 M1 M2 when acted by J1 plus J2 plus. Okay, and we know when J1 plus acts on J1 J2 M1 M2, it will gives us J1 plus M1 and J1 minus M1 plus 1, and this state will change somehow. This time M1 will decrease by 1. J1 J2 M1 minus 1 M2 J comma M minus 1, and when J2 plus operates on this, it will gives us J2 plus M2 J2 minus M2 plus 1 J1 J2, and the value of M1 M2 will be decreased by 1 Jm minus 1. Now substitute the value of J1 J2 M1 M2. As we know that J1 value is L, J2 is equals to half, M1 is equals to, as if we are talking about only this case, so J is equals to L, J2 is equals to half, M1 is equals to M plus half, and the value of M2 is minus half. Now substituting everything, and the value of J is equals to L plus half and M is equals to M. Now substituting everything here, J1 L, M1 M plus half, which is this, J1 minus M1, J1 minus M1 means J1 half, J1 J1 minus M1, which is L minus M minus half, L minus M minus half, which gives us plus half, okay, and this state will change like this: J1 is equals to L, J2 equals to half, M1 equals to M plus half, which will change to M minus half, M2 minus half, J L plus half, M minus 1. Okay. And same for the other, plus under root J2 plus M2. J2 plus M2 is half plus minus 2, which is 0. Okay. Now on comparing both sides of this relation, we end up with comparing both sides of that relation of when J plus operating coefficient, we end up with this relation. Now to know this coefficient which I have written here, we again use that procedure, and we came to know that the value of this in terms of this coefficient is equals to this, and we keep on processing like this till we reach the minimum value of M, which is minus L minus 2, and the value in terms of this coefficient will be equal to this much. And you can now see that these terms are cancelled out now. So in last, this coefficient is equal to this thing, or you can say after that this thing is normalizable, which is equals to 1. So I'm substituting here 1, and the value of this coefficient is equals to this. And same we can proceed with the another coefficient in the same process we can proceed for the second coefficient of this. But this time, instead of applying the relation of a j plus operator, we will operate j minus operator on both sides of that coefficient, and we will end up with this relation. On substituting both, we combining the L plus half m cat is equals to this. And for the case j is equals to L minus half, for L minus half m, this whole equation will change a little bit by these signs. Okay, thank you.